Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Dashera to all of you. May Maa Durga bring all the positivity and happiness in your life. Let's start today's topic. So we have started osteomyelitis, Gary's osteomyelitis. In the previous class, we have seen three main things about Gary's osteomyelitis. First was it is the clinical radiographic variant of chronic osteomyelitis. Second, it is found in young individual, and third special features were periosteal bone formation. It is known as Gary's osteomyelitis. It is also known as osteomyelitis with proliferative periostitis, and third is periostitis ossificans, and it is only found in mandibular. Okay, we have started with the radiographic features. We'll be continuing that. Okay, we have seen that deposition of extracortical new bone outside an existing intact cortex. जो already cortex है उसके बाहर paracortical और extracortical new bone formation होगा. This is produced by inflamed and stimulated periosteum laying down new bone. So ये जो bone formation होता है it is produced by inflamed and stimulated periosteum. ओके तो ये दो पैटर्न में हो सकता है. वी हैव डिस्कस इन द प्रीवियस क्लास. या तो अल्टरनेट पैटर्न में होगा विद गिव लेयरिंग और अनियन स्किन अपीयरेंस, और इफ नॉट इन अल्टरनेट पैटर्न इट विल गिव ट्रैबिकुलर कैंसिलस बोन पैटर्न. Now coming to histopathology, the marrow is fibrous with scant chronic inflammatory cells, reactive new bone with the trabeculae running parallel to the cortex. So जो trabeculae होंगे वो cortex के parallel होंगे. जो न्यूबॉर्न ले डाउन होगा उनके जो ट्रैबिकुले होंगे दे विल बी पैरेलल टू द कॉर्टेक्स. Prominent osteoblastic activity and inflammation within the periosteum and often within the extracortical new bone. So ये जो inflammatory activity रहेगी या फिर जो osteoblastic activity रहेगी वो periosteum में भी होंगी and जो extracortical bone बने हैं उनमें भी होंगे. As we have seen अभी जस्ट पर आए कि जो भी ये बोन लेइंग प्रोड्यूस होता है वो इन्फ्लेम्ड एंड स्टिमुलेटेड पेरियोस्टियम की वजह से होता है. तो जो ऑस्टियोब्लास्टिक एक्टिविटी होगी वो दोनों जगह होगी, पेरियोस्टियम में भी होगी और जो नया बोन बना है या जो नया बोन ले डाउन हो रहा है एक्स्ट्रा कॉर्टिकली या पैराकॉर्टिकल उसमें भी ये ऑस्टियोब्लास्टिक एक्टिविटी और इन्फ्लेमेशन होंगे. Now coming to treatment, removal of the source of infection which is usually a pulpal or a periapical infection. So removal of source of infection is the first thing to do while treating the osteomyelitis. So this pulpal infection or periapical infection can be treated either by extraction of the teeth or doing the root canal therapy of the teeth involved. After that 10-day course of empiric antibiotics such as penicillin, tetracycline or erythromycin. After the removal of the cause or after the extraction or root canal therapy of the involved tooth, we'll go for the 10-day course of empiric antibiotic which can be penicillin, tetracycline or erythromycin. Prognosis: resolve with bone remodeling but complete recontouring may take 3 to 4 months. जो इसका द डिजीज़ रिजॉल्व विद बोन रिमॉडलिंग, लेकिन प्रॉपर कॉन्टरिंग विल टेक 3 to 4 months. Okay, that's all about Gary's osteomyelitis. We have seen different type of osteomyelitis. We have mainly seen non-granulomatous bacteria infected lesions में दो तीन टाइप के osteomyelitis. Okay, now we'll coming to the infections which are also associated with neck and skin around the oral mucosa. Okay, so we'll coming to that. In first we'll be starting with necrotizing fasciitis. Okay, clinical presentation and pathogenesis: present as a rapidly progressive dissecting subcutaneous infection in the neck. So this necrotizing fasciitis in oral maxillofacial region is present as a rapidly progressive dissecting subcutaneous infection in the neck. It gives most like a history of recent surgery, trauma or odontogenic infection, and the patient is frequently diabetic. तो या पेशेंट की हिस्ट्री होगी रिसेंट सर्जरी, ट्रॉमा और ओडोंटोजेनिक इन्फेक्शन की, उसी में होगा नेक्रोटाइजिंग फसाइटिस. एंड the individual is frequently diabetic. Okay, I have given you the brief idea about necrotizing fasciitis. We'll be continuing this topic and other in the next class. Till then, like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.